In 2020, a 10-year-old in Bangalore revived a desktop environment that one of the largest companies in the open source world had abandoned. His mum gave him 2 hours before school exams to build the first version. 2 days later, it was covered internationally. By 12, he was speaking at one of the most well-known open source conferences in Europe. By 13, he had released his own operating system. He is now approximately 15 or 16, still in school, maintaining 2 distributions simultaneously, while holding a developer certification from the foundation behind the kernel, running most of the world's infrastructure. The distribution takes the most advanced package ecosystem in the category and makes it immutable, declarative, and atomic. The entire system in one configuration file. The concept is genuinely novel. The execution broke its own update mechanism in December 2025. The distribution is based on the rolling release that the most technically advanced community in the ecosystem maintains. Instead of letting users interact with the package manager directly on the running system, the entire operating system is described in a single configuration file at the root of the main partition. That file declares which desktop environment to use, which packages to install, which community repository packages to include, which system services to enable, and which custom commands to run at build time. Changing the system means editing the file and running a single command. The build tool downloads a fresh base, installs everything declared in the file, writes the new root to disk, and activates it on reboot. User folders, containers, and sandboxed applications survive every rebuild. The system cannot drift from what the file describes. If a directory is deleted, it returns on the next update. If the build fails, the previous root remains bootable. The concept evolved across 4 major versions in roughly 18 months, each named after an Indian dish, growing from a basic proof of concept into a fully declarative system by the current release. 5 desktop environments ship as pre-configured options that users switch between by changing a single line in the configuration file and rebuilding. The container system uses an industry-standard engine to run isolated environments from multiple different distribution families. Opening a package file from one distribution automatically creates a container for that distribution and installs it. Opening a package from a competing distribution creates a separate container. Applications from all containers appear in the desktop launcher, indistinguishable from native software. Mobile application support through a compatibility layer remains functional, which distinguishes this project from at least one competitor that removed the same feature after discovering a security vulnerability it did not have resources to fix. The founder's trajectory is the most remarkable story in the category. He built and released an official flavor of one of the largest distributions in the ecosystem before he was a teenager, spoke at international conferences while still in secondary school, and is listed as a certified developer by the foundation behind the kernel. He also maintains that separate distribution alongside this one, both actively releasing updates as of early 2026. His personal page describes him as a teenager who also plays classical Indian percussion, swims, and plays lawn tennis. The project has no corporate backing. It operates through the founder's personal infrastructure, with contributions from a small group of volunteers. One team member handles documentation and infrastructure, another maintains the build tooling. A dedicated developer supports a branch for hardware from a specific laptop manufacturer. The community communicates primarily through a messaging platform with roughly 1,900 members. The team consists of 6 people. 2 of them appear to handle the majority of core development based on activity in the project's repositories. A critical review of the current major version stated directly that creating and maintaining a distribution requires the collective work of many developers, and that this project is driven by the enthusiasm of a single individual. The team has grown since that review, but the observation remains structurally accurate. The founder also has school exams and a mother who expects good grades. The sustainability question is not theoretical, it is biographical. The current major version shipped in mid-2024 as a complete rework described by the team as a groundbreaking release. The previous major version required a full reinstall with no upgrade path. The build tool that manages the immutable root broke for all users in December 2025. The published fix required downloading a replacement binary manually from the project's code repository, unmounting the protected file system, replacing the file by hand, and running the rebuild command. For a distribution that markets itself on the promise that the system cannot end up in a broken state, having the update mechanism itself break and requiring a manual terminal intervention to restore it is a significant credibility problem. The application store advertised in the interface has been broken since before the current major version launched. A team member acknowledged it publicly and stated it would be replaced with an alternative approach integrated into the desktop's native software center. As of early 2026, that replacement had not shipped. The project's package repository disables cryptographic signature verification, meaning packages are not independently verified before installation. A team member documented this in their own installation guide, described it as insecure, and implied it was a temporary measure. Whether it has been addressed is unclear. The installation process requires an internet connection to complete, does not support offline installation, and has documented cases of infinite loops, hanging package downloads, and black screens with blinking cursors during setup. One reviewer allocated 30 gigabytes and nearly ran out of space after installing 3 or 4 large applications from different distributions because each container carries its own package ecosystem overhead. The official minimum storage requirement is 25 gigabytes, but practical use with multiple containers demands significantly more. The documentation assumes the user already understands immutability, declarative configuration, and container workflows. For a distribution that positions itself as the operating system where software from every other distribution just works, the gap between that marketing and the actual experience of a user encountering their first configuration file syntax error with a cryptic failure message is the recurring criticism across every independent review the project has received. The distribution for technically curious users who want a declarative approach to the most advanced rolling package ecosystem in the category, where describing the entire system in a single configuration file and rebuilding from a clean base on every update eliminates the drift that makes traditional rolling releases fragile over time, where containers from multiple distribution families run side by side with their applications, appearing natively in the desktop, where mobile application support still works, and where 5 desktop environments are available by changing one line in a file, accepting that the team numbers 6 people, with 1 teenager as the primary developer, that the build tool broke in December 2025 and required manual terminal intervention to fix, that the application store has been broken since before the current version shipped, that package signature verification may be disabled, that the installation requires an internet connection and has documented failure modes, and that the documentation does not meet the needs of the audience the marketing addresses. The most technically ambitious project in the category, built by someone who will not be old enough to vote for several years. Whether that makes it inspiring or concerning depends entirely on how much you trust ambition to outrun capacity. The configuration file is elegant, the container routing is clever, the founder story is unlike anything else in the ecosystem, and the update tool broke for everyone 8 months ago. All of that is true at the same time. Every choice is a trade-off. At least now you know what you're trading.